Hey, I'm going to show you my airsoft collection today. It is mostly gas blowback, submachine guns, pistols, and a rifle, and there's one AEG. So let's start off with the KWA Mac 11. Amazing little gun. I love it. To prove it's KWA, not something else. There you go, KWA box. Next, Tokyo Marui High Kappa. Tokyo Marui. There it is. Amazing gun. My best pistol. Never fails on you. Ever. And then we have my KWA M93R. Really good gun. Really good gun. I love it. 3-round burst, semi-auto, and full auto. Also out of this. And this is a new addition to my collection, the WE L85. Oi. This thing was expensive, very expensive, but it was worth it. It's a bullpup design, so that means all the recoil just comes back into your shoulder, and it's so loud because it's a GBBR, and even though it's about $400, it is amazing. I mean, full steel, and a nylon fiber hand grip, and it is just outstanding. And so I bought this. So that's it. Thank you.